Okay, hello everybody, fellow classmates. My name is Nosakari Osaritin Paul, and I'm doing my assignments now. Sorry, it's coming in late. But my assignment is to build a simple circuit with two push buttons and an LED. The LED is to come on only when the two push buttons are pressed. My Arduino board, with my Arduino Uno Ref3 board, is to be used to supply the voltage and then the ground, the VCC and ground, to power the LED. Now this is my breadboard. This is my Arduino Uno. This is the cable for connection, red for power, black for ground, and then the pink for connecting the two push buttons. These are the two push buttons, push button 1, push button 2. This is a 10 kilo ohm resistor, and this is the LED. Yeah, I'm using red. I love red. Now I'm just going to do a simple connection quickly without wasting our time. The circuit is actually simple and it's quite easy. Okay, first I'm just going to connect the push button. Bring this here and then put this here. Let's see, be sure that this is not going to bend in any way. Okay. No, it does not stay installed, so just have to press a bit. And there we go. Take it as installed. I'll connect the second push button. Okay. Yeah, got it. Okay, now take note that the push button has 4 leads. That's 4 leads. Now the 4 leads will have when you push these two here, the upper and lower are connected. When you push again these two here, the upper and lower are connected. So that is the 4 leads of the push buttons. Okay. 4 lead of the push buttons. Next, I'm going to connect the push buttons together from here to here. Okay. Next, I'm going to connect the first lead of the one push button side to power the Arduino. Okay, that's its power. I'm using 3.3 volts. That's my power. Next, I'll connect resistor. One lead of the resistor here to here. And I'll connect the LED and then connect the last leg relays to ground. To ground. So this is the circuit. When you press the first button, light doesn't come on. Press the second push button, light doesn't come on. When you press both push buttons together, light comes on. Light comes on. Light comes on. So thank you very much, and Bye bye.